Hi, my name is Bowen and I'm the co-founder of Ultimate Investing. I've been training people from Hong Kong, Australia, Malaysia, Taiwan, Philippines, Vietnam, and UK how to generate income every single month from the stock market over the last 4 years. And this investment system has allowed me and my students to invest full-time using just 15 minutes a day. Right now, there are many people who are losing their job and many have their income reduced. And that is why I'm conducting this Crisis Income Formula webinar, and I'm going to show you in the webinar the exact step how I generated 34% for my 30 days investing challenge. So whether you are a busy executive, housewife or students, this investment system is able to work for you. Now here's why you need to attend this training. We have all heard of buy low and sell high, and this works when the stock market goes up. So how can you make money consistently even during a crisis like this, and why most people are not able to beat the market is because many people do not know how to make money the opposite way, which is to sell high and buy low. Now, in order for you to make money in the stock market consistently, you need to learn how to make money in both directions, whether the market goes up or whether the market goes down. So in my Crisis Income Formula webinar, I will first be sharing with you why people lose money from investing, and I'm going to break down all my trades and show you step by step my investment systems. And lastly, I want to share with you what are some of the industry to avoid during this COVID-19 period, and what are some industry that will boom moving forward. And all you have to do is join my free webinar. So click the link below and around here and register today. So we are using a virtual hosting software, and there will be a maximum capacity for the training, so there's going to be limited slots available. But I have one additional bonus for those of you who actually register right now. I'm going to send you an invite to my private Telegram channel where you get my analysis on the top 30 Singapore stocks as well as daily market updates. So click the link around this video, register today, and I'll see you in my webinar.